Sometimes it all goes terribly wrong at TFL, and this week we had a classic TFL misadventure when Andre drove a military Humvee into what looked like a large puddle. It was not. Luckily, thanks to the guys at Plan B Supply, nobody was hurt, but it is very entertaining, so check it out for yourself right now.
So I'm gonna go a little bit slower this time and then just gun it. Okay, water is coming in. Water is coming in. Water is coming in. I'm stuck. It's full. This Humvee is full of water. This mud is so goopy. This mud is so goopy, and that I can't quite do anything. Okay, I think I'm in neutral. My brake is off. My electrics are off. I am up to my chest in mud. So I've got the 6x6 here from Plan B Supply, and that's now my true Plan B, because my first Plan B didn't work. This mud hole is so deep. Well, I'll just, I guess, rinse this out.
Only Andre's ego was damaged, but because we promised you full transparency, we wanted to show you exactly what happened. But please stay tuned for the entire story, which we're still editing, and that is coming up very soon.
Thank you for inviting me to your facility here.
Oh, you're very welcome.
What is Plan B Supply all about?
So Plan B Supply kind of got started on accident. We've been around for about almost 8 years now, but 8 years ago, it was just me wanting to build my own truck for my own preparedness purposes. And after I built it, about 3-4 months later, someone bought it from me and I built another one. The truck for me was just, there's these military chassis that carry a lot of weight, they're EMP proof. There's just a lot of reasons of why people like me and people in the preparedness community want something like that. And I didn't know how popular it was going to be at the time, but over the last few years now, it has gotten extremely popular. In the last 2 years especially, it went crazy to where we're building, 10, 15 trucks a month now, where it used to be 1 or 2 a year.